Hello students, I am Assistant Professor G. N. Moite, Department of Agricultural Botany, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon. In this lecture we are going to see about PPVV and FR Act of India, Plant Breeder Rights, Registration of Plant Varieties under the Act of 2001. Now we will firstly see PPVV and FR Act of India. Government of India enacted the Plant Variety Protection and Farmers' Right Act on October 30, 2001. Plant variety protection under PPV and FR Act provides legal protection to the plant variety. Article 27.3 B. Member country to provide protection either by a patent to a breeder in the form of plant breeder rights, to a farmer in the form of farmer rights, to a researcher in the form of researcher right. PPV and FR Act 2001 was enacted by Indian government based on UPO Convention Act. Objectives of the PPV and FR Act 2001: to establish an effective system for the protection of plant varieties, the rights of farmer and plant breeders, to encourage the development of new varieties of plants, to recognize and protect the rights of farmers and making available plant genetic resources for the development of new plant varieties, to accelerate agricultural development in the country, protect plant breeder rights, stimulate investment for research and development both in public and private sector for the development of new plant varieties, facilitate the growth of seed industry in the country which will ensure the availability of higher quality seeds and planting material to the farmers. These are the objectives of the Act 2001. General functions of the authority. First function is registration of new plant varieties, essentially derived varieties, extant varieties, developing thus test guidelines for new plant species, developing characterization and documentation of varieties registered, compulsory cataloging facilities for all varieties of plants, documentation, indexing and cataloging of farmers' varieties, recognizing and rewarding farmers, community of farmers, particularly tribal and rural community, engage in conservation, improvement, preservation of plant genetic resources, maintenance of National Register of Plant Varieties and National Gene Bank. Rights under the Act: plant breeder right, researcher right and farmer right. These are the rights under the Act. Now we will see in detail about plant breeder right. The plant breeder right program was first established in 1987 under the Plant Variety Rights Act, which was succeeded by the current Plant Breeder Rights Act 1994. Plant breeder rights, also known as plant variety rights, are intellectual property rights granted to the breeder of a new variety of plant. The legal protection of a new plant variety is granted to the breeder or his successor. The effect of plant breeder right is that prior authorization is required before the material can be used for commercial purpose. Advantages of plant breeder rights: breeders get benefit of their variety. Plant breeder right help in faster development of seed industry. It leads to improvement in quality because of competition. Then it is useful in procurement of good material on payment basis. Then it help in enrichment of genetic resources. These are the advantages of plant breeder rights. Then we will see disadvantages of plant breeder rights. It will promote monopoly. It will encourage unhealthy practices. It may lead to increase in prices. There will be reduction in genetic variability. There will be compulsion to purchase fresh seed every year. Now, what is the registration procedure for plant breeder right? The registration consists of following steps. First, filing application in the prescribed form. then payment of prescribed processing fees along with application. The registration fee varies from country to country. Examination of the application by the experts. Issue of protection certificate if application is found to meet the desired requirements. Normally the registration takes about 2.5 years. This is the registration procedure. Then what is duration for protection of plant breeder right? The duration of protection for different plant species is as follows. For trees and vines, initially for 9 years and maximum for 18 years. For extant varieties, initially 6 years and maximum for 15 years from the date of registration of the variety. In other cases, initially 6 years and maximum for 15 years from the date of registration of the variety. Thus, breeders' rights allows plant breeders to get benefit of their variety for a limited period. When the plant breeder right period is over, the variety revert to the public domain and is available to the everybody. Then what is the validity of plant breeder rights? The protection of the plant breeder rights is valid only in the country where it has been registered. The protection in the other country can be obtained by filing separate application in each country. Registration of plant variety under PPV and FR Act 2001. Criteria for grant of variety. A variety shall be granted protection if it is new, distinct, uniform and stable. Novelty. Article 6. To be eligible for protection, a variety must not have been sold. That is, it should be new or it should have novelty. Then distinctness. Article 7. A variety is deemed to be distinct if it is clearly distinguishable from any other variety whose existence is a matter of common knowledge at the time of filing of the application. And uniformity. Article 8. Uniform when subjected to the variation that may be expected and allowed due to the specific nature of the reproduction of the crop, such as vegetative, self and cross-pollinated. Last one is stability. Article 9. A variety is deemed to be stable if it is relevant characteristics remain unchanged after repeated propagation or in the case of particular cycle of propagation at the end of each cycle. The distinctness, uniformity, stability criteria are often grouped together and referred as a technical criteria. This is all about PPV and FR Act 2001. Thank you.